Hello and welcome back to In-Comm Training Services YouTube channel. I am Leanne Mee, the founder of the STEM Workshop, and I'm here to present to you your first challenge. This challenge is focused around the automotive sector of engineering and the use of modern technology. So if these areas are areas that interest you, this is definitely a challenge for you. Now the company that this challenge is linked to is called Gestamp. Gestamp are a company based in the Midlands, but they have a presence in over 23 countries. So if you want to work for a company that has an international impact, Gestamp is the company to work for. It's an international group dedicated to the design, development and manufacture of metal automotive components. The group specialises in developing innovatively designed products to achieve safer and lighter vehicles. By producing safer and lighter vehicles, they're reducing the energy consumption of the car and the environmental impact. So what we want you to do, bearing that in mind, is we want you to develop an idea for using modern technology that could be used to improve the safety and environmental impact of a car, therefore supporting Gestamp and expanding its product range. So we're going to talk you through the challenge bit by bit, and then we hope you consider this as a challenge to explore. Thank you for listening. Challenge 1 is to develop an idea for using modern technology to improve safety and environmental impact, supporting Gestamp in expanding its product range. First, research and study the product range at Gestamp. Find out where there's an opportunity for a new product to be developed under their brand. Have a look closely at the product range that they have already and look at how you could incorporate a product using modern technology to enhance and improve on those two things, safety and environmental impact. Identify some of the problems or opportunities in the automotive industry currently where modern technology could play an active role. So to help you and consider some ideas, we've just thrown some ideas at you. So it could be heated and ventilated seats, electric powered vehicles, something to improve CO2 emissions, voice recognition technology to be used in some way to improve safety, self-parking, developing a vehicle that is completely autonomous, something to prevent accidents, air quality, and I've put the word safety up there just to get you to think about it. And then of course environment. Once you've identified a problem, then you need to start coming up with a solution, and then you need to think about how you're going to present it. So you can present us your ideas in any format that you wish, depending on what resources you have available. So here's some ideas of how you can present and what sort of format. You could literally present us a research submission where you've researched the problem, you've researched the solution, and you present that to us. You could present research along with a sketch or a series of sketches. So it's entirely up to you how you tackle this. It could be a model, a traditional model made with traditional techniques, or it could be a computer-aided design model. So you can present one or more of any of these ways of presenting your ideas to us. It could be a virtual electronic circuit that you've built using a number of free software platforms to develop a circuit, like Yenka or Tinkercad. Or you could build a prototype of a circuit using programmable boards if you have access to that sort of kit. Whatever you do, remember it's the idea that counts, and the idea is going to be judged by a specialist from Gestamp who will judge the overall winner. So we're looking for something innovative and creative for solving the problem of safety and environmental impact. We hope you enjoy this challenge if you take it up, and we look forward to seeing your creations. Thank you for listening and enjoy.